Let's look at the top 4 investing tips for teenagers. Number 4, learn the basics of investing. When it comes to investing, knowledge is power, and if you're a teenager who's just getting started in the world of investing, then learning the basics is your first step. There are tons of resources out there to help you get up to speed on investing concepts, from books and articles to podcasts and YouTube videos. So dive in and start educating yourself. The more you know about investing, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment choices down the road. Number 3, avoid debt. As a teenager, the big step to starting your investing journey is to avoid debt. This may seem like obvious advice, but it's especially important when it comes to student loan debt. If you plan on going to college, do whatever you can to stay away from student loan debt. Go to a cheaper college, work a side job, find ways to avoid debt. The reason why this is so important is because student loan debt can have a major impact on your future. Not only will you have to pay back the loans with interest, but it will also limit your ability to save for retirement or other financial goals. So if you're serious about starting your investing journey on the right foot, avoiding debt should be your top priority. Number 2, start practicing good saving habits now. If you're a teenager who's interested in investing, it's important to start practicing good saving habits now. The more money you save, the more money you can invest. But that's not the only reason to start saving money now. Saving also gives you a chance to learn about delayed gratification, which is an important lesson for any investor. When you're young, it's easy to think that you can just wait until you have more money before you start investing. But if you want to be successful in investing, you need to start now. Waiting will only delay your success. So start saving today and begin your journey to financial independence. Before I move on to number 1, make sure you subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Number 1, start a side hustle. If you're a teenager who's interested in investing, there's no time like the present to start, and one important step you can take is to start a side hustle. Whether it's mowing lawns, dog walking, or doing odd jobs for your neighbors, earning some extra money is a great way to start building your investment portfolio. And the best part is that you can start small and gradually increase your earnings as you get more experience. So if you're looking for a way to get started in investing, consider starting a side hustle. It's a great way to earn some extra money and get a head start on building your investment portfolio. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.